go spend the money, platter of good. Girls that follow me, they want me on the platter of good. I know, just keep my money on the platter of good. Money up, man.
You know what, babe? I mean, our house in Chicago is going to be the best house. I can't wait for you to see it. It's going to be the most exquisite. And then I would like, you know the musician Lionel Richie? I want him to come to our Bachelor's Eve. I mean, it's going to be amazing. You know, he sings nice songs. And then from there, we'll be able to go to the Middle East of Cyprus for our honeymoon. And... Hey, babe. Hey.
Oh, sorry, you were saying something.
Oh, you noticed I was saying something? What's bothering you? What's going on?
Babe, you see, I think we are getting ahead of ourselves about this marriage of a thing. Okay, and it's making me very uncomfortable.
How do you mean? We sealed this deal together. I paid you 30 million naira for this deal. And now you want to change your mind on a date which you and I fixed.
I know, but the marriage plan is looking so real and it's making me nervous.
Oh, please. Listen to me, honey. There has to be a wedding before marriage. You know that, right? Besides, we are no longer playing games. We are now truly in love. What else do you want?
Yeah, that's true. You're so right. You're right.
Baby, should I be worried?
Yes. No. Come on. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and do it.
So, as I was saying, I was talking about honeymoon, and then you remember the musician Lionel Richie, right? Yeah, he's good. I like his songs. So, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
I can't believe that we changed overnight. Baby, why are you doing this to me? You promised our love will last all. Where is the love you promised me? I have tried my best to be the best for you. Tell me, where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? You tore my heart into pieces. You make me cry every now and then. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong?
Why am I feeling too edgy about this whole thing? I just hope I'm not making a mistake with my life. This is no longer a joke. There's no going back this time. God, please help me. I've had a taste of money. I can't go back to poverty. I think I'd rather be rich than allow poverty to massage my integrity.
Doing here? Well, I came to see my friends. Or am I now prohibited?
You are no longer welcomed here. Stop coming to look for us. Stop coming to look for me.
Camilla, you lie. You can't stop me from coming to see my friend.
Hey babes, can you guys just take it slow? What is it? We're friends. And why not put this fracas behind us and let's move like we move?
Not until she apologizes to me. Yes.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
I, Princess Alba, apologize to you? in your wildest dream, honey. You must have lost your sense of timing.
Ah.
You should be the one to apologize to me, not the other way around.
Okay.
You said a lot of horrible things to me. Yes.
Hey, darlings. Let's not allow one stupid broke guy somewhere destroy what we have. And by the way, none of you owns this guy. You, princess, you paid for a wedding, right? And you paid for sex in it. So what's the fracas?
Just to make sure you are done with him fast. I am tired of waiting.
Oh, please. Well, whatever. Please. As I was saying, I actually came here to talk about my upcoming wedding.
Oh, I love the sound of that.
Of course you should.
Okay, you no, you see what I'm talking about?
What?
Obviously, the both of you misses each other.
Who misses who?
Please, don't let one broke guy somewhere destroy what we have. Does it make sense? No.
You missed me. Yes. You can't deny it. It is written all over your face.
I miss you guys. Especially this sports brat. God herself.
You are not serious.
Okay, ladies, Alosia wants to know something.
Which is?
I don't know.
Can you girls just tell me how good Andy is on bed?
Great. What is wrong with me? Am I even doing the right thing? I mean, this contract was supposed to be a business contract. But it's obvious I'm falling in love with Andy.
How are you, my darling?
Hey, mommy. Wow, you look beautiful.
Like this?
Yes, mommy. Oh my God.
Thank you. I'm blushing. I think you proposed too soon, right? But if you ask me, I would say it's the right time. That is why things are happening the way they are right now. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, mommy.
Your father and I, we support you. Because we love you so much.
I love you too, mommy. Thank you. So, mommy, I wanted to ask you, I don't know if you'll be interested. I wanted to go for some grocery shopping, you know, to get one or two things. I don't know if you want to join me.
You?
Yes, me.
What happens to...
Mom, they're still there.
He's still there?
Yeah, me. I mean, I could still pick them this way.
Abba, what love can do.
Mommy, stop it. I'm fine. You know, I know we met based on contract and we fell in love as well from the same contract. But you know, one thing is certain, it won't stop me from giving you your balance. So, I actually brought it. For you. Complete, right? What's the problem?
Thank you so much, my princess. I appreciate. But you know, I've already fallen in love deeply with you. And there's something I would love to ask you.
Which is?
If you don't mind.
I'm listening.
Can we get married for real?
I'm not making a mistake, and I wish I'm not taking the wrong path. But everything I do for you, just to give you a comfortable life. But at the midst of the game, I got confused. But as my way gets sense, I realize, say now you be my lover, and nobody can take your place in my heart. Hey, tell me, I say I love her more. Hey, tell me, I say I love her more. Now me and you together forever, and my love for you strong past caterpillar. Oh, I will be more. I love you more. Hey, I wish I'm not making a mistake, and I wish I'm not taking the wrong path. But everything I do for you, just to give you a comfortable life. But at the midst of the game, I got confused. But as my way gets sense, I realize, say now you be my lover, and nobody can take your place in my heart. Hey, tell me, I say I love her more. Hey,
Andy!
tell me, I say I love her more. Now me and you together forever, and my love for you strong past caterpillar. Oh, I will be more. I love you more.
I went to his house. He's no longer there. Please, help me. I want my Andy back, please.
Zikora, that will be a very difficult thing to do. Because as it stands now, Andy and Princess Alba are getting married on Saturday. This Saturday. So my hands are tight.
Collins, you are my friend. You cannot allow that to happen to me. Please help me. You need to help me. I want Andy back. I love him. As he stands now, I don't care if he cheats on me. Yes, I don't care. He can do whatever he wants to do with his life, so long as he's with me. Please.
Zikora, listen. The truth remains that Andy has moved on. And you should do the same thing. And I will advise you to do the same. Else you will end up in a wheelchair or psychiatric ward. Nobody chased you out of your husband's house. You left on your own. And now he's a better man with the princess. I think you should let things be. He has made his choice, just like you made your choice.
He will be the best man with me. Help me. You are my friend.
Zikora, you have to excuse me because I was busy before you came. I have to finish this client's clothes and deliver it back to him, please.
Collins.
There's nothing I can do in this situation.
Collins, Collins, please.
Honestly, I don't know what you're doing here. Oh, God.
Andy, I want you back. I want my man back. Andy, you are still my husband. And I love you.
I love you too.
Then come back to me, Andy. Please, we belong to each other. You still love me, I can see it in your eyes, Andy. Don't deny it, please.
Baby.
Please, my love.
Baby, not now, okay? I am working on something. Okay?
I miss you. I miss you so much. I miss you.
What nonsense? What the hell is happening here? Andy, you were cheating on me with this thing. What? After everything I've done for you, you had the guts to bring her into this house?
It's not what you think, okay?
Oh, please shut your mouth. I know what I saw.
It's not what she thinks. Andy, she just called me a thing. By the way, wait, did you just say that he is cheating on you? Mind you, Andy is still my husband.
Which you dropped and I picked him up. I mean, take a good look at him. I cleaned him up. He looks better with me. You should be grateful, you know.
Well, did I remind you that Andy here is still my husband? We were never divorced.
I see.
Please, will you ladies just stop this minute? Just stop it.
No, Andy. No, Andy, I will not stop. As a matter of fact, you have to choose between me and her this minute. Right now.
You ladies just stop this. Stop it.
Come on, just pick. Go ahead. Choose between me and her. I mean, show her how much of a loser she is. Andy! Andy!
No!
Andy!
Mother, he could not admit that he loves the princess.
Neither could he choose you over her at a time like that.
That is the problem. And Mother, the more I see him, the more I fall in love with him. And the more he slips out of my hands into her heart.
Please, my daughter, stop hurting yourself, oh? Everything will be all right. Okay? It's going to be fine.
Where the hell are you coming from?
See, babe, I do not need your headache right now, okay?
Do not tell me that stupid cock and bull story. You left this house since morning, only for you to come back and tell me you do not want any headache. Do I look daft to you? I asked you to pick between your ex-wife and me, and you chose to walk away.
I do not know what you're talking about.
You're a bastard.
Hey, please, watch your mouth. I do not need to remind you that Zikora paid for my fee in the university with the Dikeh that she was driving. So you should give her some respect and some credit.
Oh, please shut your trap. I made you a millionaire. So you should also give me some credit as well. Not your dumb ex-wife.
Babe. Come on. Stop this, okay? You know how much I love you. Why are you doing this? We should be thinking about ourselves. Huh? That's the most important thing right now. Huh? Babe? Come on, stop this. You know how much I love you. Huh? Stop this.
I am happy for you, Alba. Seriously. Soon you will become a Mrs. Oh!
But seriously, Alba, I was thinking this whole thing was supposed to be a planned contract, right? So how come you guys want to keep it real?
Well, let's just say we fell in love for real.
Anyway, I will be traveling back to the States to give birth to my child.
And I'm coming over with you.
So are you guys going to abandon me here?
Of course you will be here to take care of your father's business, which he will hand over to your son. So you're going nowhere.
You guys are joking, right?
And of course.
Very soon, my princess will be getting married to her dream man. And I made a promise that I'm going to hand over one of my companies. I am going to fulfill that promise.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Thank you, Father.
Thank you, my husband.
I want you to make your husband available so that we perfect the process of the handover.
Of course, Father, I will. I mean, certainly I will. Thank you.
Are you happy?
I am more than happy, Father. Thank you. Mother, go get a bottle of wine. We need to drink to this. Okay. Excuse me, please.
Are you happy?
Yes.
It is my duty to make you happy.
Hold on. What are you doing here?
I couldn't believe that I had lost you. I heard you're getting married on Saturday.
That is correct.
Sorry I came uninvited, but... Andy, I need you. I need you to look into my eyes and tell me that it is over between us. Because for me, I still love you, Andy. I love you, Andy.
Zikora, you're not supposed to be here.
Never mind. I'll soon be gone. Gone forever, maybe. I just hope I can find someone like you to love again.
Please, stop this. You have to stop it, please.
I wish you nothing but the best. For you to be happy. But please, Andy, don't forget me. Please.
Zikora, please, just
Love is supposed to be sweet, but it hurts instead. Andy, I hope all your dreams come true. And I hope she give you things that I couldn't give to you. Andy, I love you so much.
I love you more, my dear.
Nothing can come between us. Neither can anything separate us. You complete me so much.
Obin, I love you so much with all my heart.
I wish I'm not making a mistake, and I wish I'm not taking the part. But everything I do for you, just to give you a comfortable life. But at the midst of the game, I got confused. But as my way gets sense, I realize, say now you be my lover, and nobody can take your place in my heart. Hey, tell me, I say I love her more. Hey, tell me, I say I love her more. Now me and you together forever, and my love for you strong past caterpillar. Oh, oh, people, I love you. Hey, I wish I'm not making a mistake, and I wish I'm not taking the wrong path. But everything I do for you, just to give you a comfortable life. But at the midst of the game, I got confused. But as my way gets sense, I realize, say now you be my lover, and nobody can take your place in my heart. Hey, tell me.
Good afternoon, mother.
Was that not Andy that dropped you?
Yes, he's the one.
And what are you doing with him?
Let's say I'm trying to get back what rightfully belongs to me.
Yeah. I am not comfortable with that.
Not to worry, mother. I know what I'm doing. I've been able to break that thing that wanted to challenge what we share. I'm going to play along until I get my Andy back.
You need to be very careful.
I will.
What are you talking about? That you're cheating on the princess with your ex-wife?
Zikora is my wife, and we never signed divorce paper.
Yes, but she left you. She left the marriage. And now that things are looking up for you, she wants to return. I mean, isn't that like a dog returning to its vomit?
Zikora went through a lot for me when we had nothing. And now there is wealth. All I need to do is to reciprocate.
On another woman's wealth? Look, the two of you are not meant to be forever.
We've fallen in love over again.
What do you mean by falling in love all over again? So what happens to the princess?
I don't know.
Andy. Andy. be very careful. Be very, very careful. So you don't fall back into the same poverty that you were liberated from. A word they say is enough for the wise. You're my friend, and I will tell you the truth.
You know, I followed them from the back to her house. He dropped her at home.
Wait. What is Andy trying to... what is he turning into?
I don't know. But what I do know is, Alba, you need to be very careful. Extremely careful.
Yes, I know, but my problem right now is that I'm already falling for this guy. I don't even know why he's, he wants to mess up with my feelings like this. I don't know what to do.
Something I know is, if that boy tries something stupid, I'ma break his skull. That's a promise.
He dares not. He won't even think about it.
Why are you being so paranoid? Huh? What is it? What's the problem? Yes, I saw her on the road and I gave her a lift. So what's wrong with that?
A lot of things are wrong with that. Why didn't you give her money to use, some other means? She is your ex. That means she belongs to your past. You have the guts to carry that wretch in the same car that I bought with my money?
Zikora is my ex-wife.
That means she belongs to the past.
We are not established enemies. All I did was to render a harmless help.
I do not fancy such help. Period.
Babe, see. Baby, what's going on? Can't you just trust me? Please, I beg you. Just trust me, okay? I want you to trust me, come on. Baby.
Can you get your hands off me, please?
Stop this.
Are these not the same hands you used on that wretched? Get your hands off me. No. Go sterilize your hands.
I've done that already, okay? Sweetest.
Oh, sweet. Stop it.
You so sweet.
It's been long when I start to look for money, and it's been long when money start to run from me. I hustle tired, but money no surface, yo. Right now I get time on a platter of good. They keep me.
My son, I have noticed that your coming into my daughter's life has transformed her and made her fulfilled. I am happy and very, very grateful.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
Please, take good care of my daughter. She is the apple of my eyes.
Sure, I'll do that.
My son, in few days from today, both of you becomes husband and wife. And I had already promised my daughter that if she should present a man, a good man who is responsible enough to transform her life, I will hand over my Xavier Steel Company to her. And she did exactly that. I am happy. She has played her part, and it's my turn to fulfill my own promise. My son, here is the document containing the transfer of the ownership of my company. Come. Come, my son.
I've done that, Your Majesty.
Keep it. Keep it. I am very, very happy and glad to hand over my company to you.
Okay.
Run it very well. Take care of the apple of my eyes, my princess.
Thank you, Your Highness. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
My princess.
Father.
Are you happy?
Father, I am more than happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what are we going to do now?
Why did you sign those papers? You'd have insisted on being in charge.
I don't understand what you mean. Do you expect me to bluff everything just like that?
You listen to me. Sell that company and transfer the money to me.
I beg your pardon.
You're well pardoned. Just like I said, I am not interested in the steel business. You know it. I just want to do my clothing business. All you need to do is sell the company and then send the money to me while I open my own damn business. What is there for you not to understand?
You're not serious.
What is there not to be serious about? No, you tell me. Listen to me. Do not be a traitor. And don't even think of being my enemy. Because you cannot stand me. Just do as I said.
Your Majesty, my husband, my love, do you think handing over this business to him was a good idea?
He can handle the business better than the princess. Moreover, both of them are together now. Let him be in charge of the family business.
But Your Majesty, I'm just like...
When I was handling this business, I was managing the business. You were a shareholder, a partaker. Am I right?
It's okay if you say so.
I say so.
Andy has become a traitor. If he pushes me more further than this, I will show him the stuff which I am made of.
But seriously, why would your father give all the business to him? Why?
I don't know. I have even asked the fool to sell the company and give me the money equivalent to it, but he refused. And he's daring me.
Seriously, we must make sure we find him. He cannot run away with the money. So relax. We will find him. There is no hiding place for him.
Did I hear you say run? I dare him. Andy will not even try it. To run away with my hard-earned money? That wretched fool. That stinking thing that I picked from... It's all right. I will find him.
He betrayed us all. Rubbish.
I will find him.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm thinking of selling that company and giving her the money.
Please come out of there. Sell which company and give who which money? No. Look, there is a saying. Instead of allowing a child floor me in a wrestling match, I will deploy Mago. Listen, that company belongs to you. It's yours. You will sell it and we will use the money and leave this country. You and I.
And what about the wedding?
Which wedding are you talking about, Andy? Are you Elena? Forget the wedding.
You know what? I'm scared. I'm so scared.
There is nothing to be scared of. Look, this is local Yahoo. You want to go? I have all the plans. Okay? Nothing to be scared of. You are a millionaire now. Cheer up, one day. Cheer up, millionaire Angie. Odogu? We should be celebrating one day.
Mother. Mother,
I notice you've not been happy since yesterday. And you refuse to eat your food. What bothers you, my child?
Nothing, Mother. I am fine.
And you're crying?
No, I'm not. I'm not crying. I'm just tearing out.
Oh my. I know what is it. You know, all your life, we have always been the only family you know. You will miss us. I know that. But you know, you have to go stay with your husband. In your own house. To build your home and family. My love, I know it is not easy, but that is where you belong. I belong with my own husband, your father. You're going to belong with your own husband. He will father your children.
I'll miss you, Mother. I'll miss you and Father.
I'm so crying. We will miss you too. Well, let's go downstairs so that I can eat.
Mother, I am right behind you.
Your father too wants to have a word with you.
I'm behind you, I promise.
Come.
What am I going to do now? How do I tell them what is going on?
I'll be waiting for you downstairs.
Okay, Mother. Mother, you sent for me.
Alba, sit down. When a girl passes the age of maidenhood, she faces motherhood. And after your wedding on Saturday, you face a real marriage that will usher you to motherhood. I think you should be very happy about today.
I am happy, Father.
That is what you always said, but your face do not confirm it. Why have you not been eating, Alba?
Father, you promised me that you were going to make me the CEO of your steel company if I present you a responsible man. That I did. But what did you do? You gave him everything, Father. I am your daughter.
It is written, for this reason a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and both of them becomes one flesh. You are supposed to submit to your husband. But if you have more money than he does, you will hardly do that. So what I've given to your husband is also yours, my queen. Am I right?
Absolutely, my husband.
So, Alba, just try and make yourself happy. I did it for a good purpose. I have a good heart.
Give you 300 million in cash, and after that you pay another 200 million.
That's not a bad business anyway. Yes, I will oblige you.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
I am going to prepare my papers. and that of Zikora, then travel with her. After then, I'll send for you.
What about my percentage?
Your percentage, I'm going to give you. Of course, I'll give you your percentage. Then I'll use part of it to prepare your papers. As for this house, I'll leave it for you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You are indeed a brother.
You're welcome. Wow. This is good.
Hi! Look at Andio. That boy is satanically greedy. He cannot even give me ordinary 50 million naira. After all the things I did for him, just to make this deal work. I have tried, I have compromised, I have sacrificed a lot just to make this deal work. And what do I have? Nothing worth having. He let me play. He will see. I will show him. He doesn't even know me, sir. He will see first.
Baby. See, I want your dress code and your approach to life change. Because very soon, we are leaving this country. Our documents are almost ready. And secondly, we are going to leave this house to the hotel.
Thank you. Thank you for everything. I mean, I never knew you had plans for us.
Of course I do have plans to eradicate us from poverty. Apart from the company worth 500 million, I already have 30 million in my account, which she paid me for the contract.
Okay, what happens to Camilla and her child?
She should be in her house, but when I'm ready, whenever I'm ready, I'll go for my child.
And I promise to be a mother to the child. And also to our unborn child.
By that you mean?
I'm pregnant.
You are pregnant? You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Come here. Come here, you. Oh my God. This is God's timely perfection. This is good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Listen. This bastard is playing with fire. Andy, you are playing with the wrongest person. I will set you ablaze. You want to dare me, right?
Princess? I thought you stopped smoking. What is wrong with you?
What is your problem? Why can't I have space in this palace? Is it too much for me to ask for? Let me be mother. I need some space. Just go, please. I'll place it. Father, my foot. Excuse me.
It's been long when I start to look for money, and it's been long when money start to run from me. I hustle tired, but money no surface. Oh, right now I get time on a platter of good. Oh, they give me too much money on a platter of good. Oh, no time to waste, I go spend time on a platter of good. Girls that follow me, they want me on a platter of good. Oh, I know, just keep my money on the platter of good. Money up, man, it didn't make man misbehave, oh. And I done so far, no be small. Auntie, just tell me where can you go to? Are you in for the money or in for the love, oh?
Yes, hello? I need to see you.
I want to meet my committee of friends for our wedding tomorrow.
Listen to me. I do not care whatever you want to tell me right now. I need to see you immediately.
What is the problem?
Andy, I hate repeating myself. I need to see you now.
Hey. Talk to me with respect, okay? I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Listen, hello? Bastard!
It's been long when I start to look for money, and it's been long when money start to run from me. I hustle tired, but money no surface. Oh, right now I get time on a platter of good. Oh, they give me too much money on a platter of good. Oh, no time to waste, I go spend time on a platter of good. Girls that follow me, they want me on a platter of good. Oh, I know, just keep my money on the platter.
It's your day. Okay, let me take a selfie with you. Look at it. Smile. Beautiful. I love this. Yep. Okay, now time for the video. Okay. Our baby girl is taken. It's a video. You all are short, please. Soon to be Mrs. Andy.
Oh my darling. Our baby. You're not ready yet.
Not yet, mother. I'll nourish you.
Hurry up, the guests are waiting.
Okay.
And they can't wait to see you, a beautiful bride.
Okay.
Very simple.
Speak you.
Hello. It's my daughter's day.
Yes.
Yeah, it's my first day.
All right.
So make her glow. She looks so beautiful.
Beautiful. Ready to go.
So I feel like wedding again.
Yeah.
I feel like wedding again. Of course, it's your wedding day too. I'll see you in a jiffy, okay? Just come down looking ravishing. Okay, Mom.
Alright. Okay, Mom.
Alright.
Okay, it's your turn. Say hi. Are we not looking beautiful?
Of course.
Ready to go?
Of course.
I love this.
So,
Oh my word.
you're there. You're here.
Little enough, ain't you? Ah.
How could I have known that you are such an impostor, an ingrate? I am going to charge you for fraud.
Your Majesty, I did not defraud you. I only signed a contract with your daughter. to pretend to be her fiancé for some time, which I did. I'm so sorry that it turned out this way. I even told her I love my wife, but she insisted we go on with the contract.
Alba?
Father.
Alba, is that true?
Yes, Father. I actually did what I did because I thought I was losing my position in the palace. Father, I am sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
Alba, you disappoint me! You disappoint me, Alba.
My king, I love my wife so much. My wife was there for me through thick and thin. She saw me through the university. So how am I supposed to leave her now that I'm a millionaire?
Oh, you have the temerity, the effrontery, to refer to yourself as a millionaire through the money you stole from me.
No, my king, I was paid to play the role of foster fiancé, which I did for 3 months. What? Camilla here was involved. They were obsessed by their request to make money and to satisfy their desire and their fantasy. So I took the opportunity